Hi friends, welcome to SS Tutorials. In this session, I am going to explain about post-order traversal. Already in my previous video, I explained about in-order traversal technique and pre-order traversal technique. Now in the post-order traversal technique, the procedure to be followed is first we need to visit the left subtree and then right subtree. Later on the route is visited. Since the route is visited at the last and before left subtree and right subtree are visited, it is called as a post order traversal technique. So in this, each root node is visited after the left and right subtrees have been traversed. That means first left child and right child are visited and then root is to be visited. These are the steps to be followed, and when it comes to the example, first we need to check whether the root node is null or not. So if the root node is null, then only it is possible for us to traversal in the post order technique. Since the root is not null, we can visit the left child, and after the left child, right child is visited. At the last, the root data is printed. Since the root data is printed at the last, it is called as a post order traversal technique. So let's consider an example. This is a binary tree example in which each and every node is having maximum of 2 childs. So the root node is n and this is the left subtree, this is the right subtree. So before visiting the root, we should traverse complete left subtree and complete right subtree, and later on root is visited as it is a post order traversal technique. So here I checked whether the root is null or not. Since the root is not null, I traverse it towards its left child, the first step. So again H became a root for another node. So before visiting a root node, its left child and right child should be traversed. So it moved towards its left node. So for C, again I check if it is having any left and right child. Since C is not having any left and right child, I traversed the node C. So once left child is visited, next right child is to be visited. So the right child is E. After left and right child got completed, its root node is to be visited. The root node is H. So now this left child or the left subtree got completed for the root node N. So once left child got completed, next right child is to be, right subtree must be visited and the next root must be visited. So now I came towards the right subtree and started with the node M. M became a root node for two nodes. So root is to be visited after its left child and right child are visited. Since A is not visited, I traverse it towards its left child A. So after left child, its right child must be visited. So again I move towards the node E. E is root node for two more childs. So before visiting a root node, its left child and right child should be visited. The left child for E is S and the right child for E is I. So before visiting I, check whether if it is having left and right child. Since I is having left and right child, after visiting its left child and right child, then only I should be visited. So the left child of I is T. I visited the node T and right child R. So after left and right child got completed, I should be visited. I. Now this part got completed. So already the left child got completed and the right child is completed, and now we are visiting the root part E. Till here we completed this part. So already left child A is visited and the right subtree is visited. After left and right got completed, the root M is visited. And finally for the root node N, the left subtree got totally completed by all the nodes are visited in the left subtree, and the right subtree also all the nodes are visited, and then after left and right the root node is visited at the last. So this is the post order for this binary tree example. Thank you friends.